Air fryers have firmly cemented themselves as the modern must-have appliance. They're the tool of choice if you're looking to make foods with a crisp finish, while also using less oil thanks to their ability to circulate hot air efficiently. Black Friday is just 1 week away. This annual savings event is the perfect opportunity to get your hands on an air fryer for a percentage of the original recommended retail price. This year, many retailers have dropped their Black Friday deals early, with several already offering huge discounts on air fryers. We found a deal with an impressive 48% off, but stock is fluctuating dramatically. We'll be constantly checking the models in our air fryers buyer's guide for any changes in price, to ensure you get the biggest and best Black Friday air fryer deals. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Kitchen ever present Top 6 Best Black Friday Air Fryer Deals. Let's get started. Number 6. Ninja DZ201 Foodi, 40% off. If you've looked at the air fryers above, but you're not sure they'll meet your needs because they cook one dish at a time, the Ninja Foodi 6 in 1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer will make you smile. This fryer from Ninja is not only larger than usual, it has 2 separate 4-quart baskets that can cook independently. You can cook 2 different dishes or meals simultaneously, a convenient option when you're cooking for a family. The included recipe book includes the approximate cooking times to finish 2 different dishes simultaneously, so you aren't waiting around for one basket to finish cooking while the other one is cooling down. This model has 6 different cooking modes: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The dehydrator feature is a favorite creating healthy snacks. It's easy to pause each cooking basket independently without disturbing the other basket, a big significant factor when you're cooking things that need constant heat. Number 5. Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer, 23% off. Ninja's sleek and simple pot air fryer continues to impress in our yearly testing, and thus we see no reason to remove it from the top spot. The Ninja is powerful, easy to operate, looks great, and clocks in at a reasonable price. We tested both the 4-quart model and the otherwise identical 5.5-quart model. There were no discernible differences in performance between the two. The Ninja turned out the best chicken wings of any air fryer we cooked them in. It seems to run a little hotter than other models of its size, but I consider that a good thing. Air frying is about getting the outside crispy without drying out the middle, and you need a blast of hot convection to do it. The Ninja's control panel is simple and intuitive. There are a handful of presets and cooking modes beyond just flicking on the air fryer, including bake and reheat, which are perfect for warming bread or reviving leftover pizza without burning them. Number 4. COSORI Air Fryer 4QT, 20% off. It was a battle to the finish line between the Ninja and the COSORI. In truth, I would be happy with either one on my countertop. The COSORI Lite is 4 quarts, a size I like, although the brand makes plenty of larger models. This air fryer has a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 50 more than the Ninja, but I cooked chicken wings on high in both machines for 25 minutes, and they emerged nearly identical. Another thing I liked about this model is the placement of the LED controls, which sit directly on top of the oven, making them easy to see and program. The dishwasher-safe basket fits snugly into place, and I was able to easily remove it without having to use force. I like the simple and straightforward cooking programs, not too few and not too many. The COSORI is also a smart air fryer, so you can control it from your phone via an app. This wasn't something I found particularly useful, but it's there if you want it. Number 3. Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL, 52% off. With 2,200 watts of power and a basket that can hold a whole chicken or 2 bags of frozen French fries, the Philips XXL lives up to its name. Like most air fryers, this one also has settings for grilling, baking, toasting, and dehydrating in addition to air frying, and it has the added advantage that all of its removable parts are dishwasher safe. Philips fat removal technology also claims to render and drain more fat from meats than similar models. Number 2. Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer, 28% off. Want to give air frying a first try? The Tasti-Crisp is a perfect beginner model. It has a pretty tiny capacity and not a lot of power, but its tiny price, that's even lower than usual, makes that worth it. Like other air fryers, this one has an attractive design that's available in 5 different colors, and its dial control couldn't be simpler. Number 1. Ninja AG301 Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor, 39% off. If you're looking for a higher capacity air fryer, Ninja has you covered. We've reviewed both this machine and the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1, and found that both make solid air fryers. The 5-in-1 is advertised as an indoor grill, and its high-powered heating and fan do a great job at charring and searing. No propane or charcoal needed, but that power also makes it an excellent air fryer. The Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 is usually among the most expensive air fryers out there, but it's available for under $200 thanks to this sale price.